Dustbowl capacity 13 ounces. Lithium technology provides strong suction and extended runtime, 2.5 amp hours. Translucent, washable bowl and washable filter. Crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and flip-up brush for upholstery. Cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean and suction strong. Lightweight and portable design. The BLACK+DECKER HHVI325JR22 Dustbuster Cordless Lithium Hand Vacuum, ink blue, is ideal for picking up dirt and debris in your everyday life. The lithium technology provides strong suction and extended runtime. It has a washable bowl, 20.6 ounces, and filter which allows for thorough cleaning between jobs. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl makes it easy to see dirt and easy to empty. This vac has a rotating nozzle for a comfortable hand position when accessing hard-to-reach areas, along with an extendable crevice tool that provides access to hard-to-reach areas and a flip-up brush which allows you to dust and vacuum upholstery. The cyclonic action helps to keep the filter clean and suction strong. 2.5 amp hours. This vac has a lightweight and portable design which makes for convenient cleaning. A wall mount provides a versatile storage solution. Includes hand vac, jack plug charger, wall mount, extendable crevice tool, flip-up brush. Top reviews from the United States. Great for daily cleanup. Great suction and useful design. Clean out isn't bad, but relatching the dustbin can be a bit tricky and requires some force. There is no battery gauge, and since it's lithium I expect it will suddenly quit without warning once depleted. That's not great, but I had a prior model with a charging base which resulted in severe deterioration of the battery life.